What is it you're doing, Lauren? That's good. That's the different technique. I don't know that one, Lauren. I better follow her, actually. This is too good. This is too good. I can have a lot of money for that. Keep going.
The afternoon entertainment is Lauren Miles.
Oh no, you don't want to go that way, don't you? Oh, she does. She's not gone yet. She's not gone. Nothing. Oh! Keep going. Nobody walk in front. We never know where we can get with this one.
Okay, Dad, don't be mean. Come on.
No. It's good fun. We'll do a big show one day all together.
Can't she do it? She's going to disappear over the edge, isn't she?
Oh! She's not it. You see? I nearly missed that one. Oh dear, that must hurt. Lauren!
Just go! Don't think! That's